Pagkagali. Okay, stop. Hello guys, this is Queen of Tea and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To those who are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the bell so you will be notified every time I upload new videos. And also don't forget to click like icon and comment on the comment box below. For today's vlog, it will be cooking slash tagay vlog. What? So now I'm going to the shop to buy something to cook. Kay na ako'y katagay mo abot today. So, oops, hala guys, wala po kalimpi sa akong car. And dili dapat na ko limta na akong jacket diri. I'm going to this Asian shop. Guys, kalibangon man ko guys, oy. Sakit kong tiyan ba? But then I have to go to the shop now. Akong katagay is on the way na. So kailangan ko magbayog food to cook. So ato lang ko guys, bahala na lang niya kung tiyan. Uy, inyan na lang ni. Teka, ututon pa dyan ko guys. Wait sa guys ha, mangutot sa dyan ko ha. Oh no, nga naman ni oy. Hindi mo magawas. Inyan na lang. Ay. Okay ba guys? Straight ba? Wow! Gilingkuran na ba guys? Wala siya nagtanaw. Asa siya malingkod. So nalingkuran niya. So I have to, you know, ako siyang massage. Massage pa. Para ma-straight siya. And wala para ba siya nag-subscribe guys? So mag-shout out na niya. Oy, shout out Bella! Kailan Tagalog ba to guys? Wait sa guys. Shout out Bella! Kailan ka ba mag-subscribe? Ito yung shades na inupuan mo. Oh. Need mo na talaga mag-subscribe and share. Ato na ko guys. Uy. Guys. Ano yun ta? Doon na lang yun. So guys, mag-drives ako. And see you later. Tanga yun ako. Uy. Guys, dangag yun kay ko. Wala man ko'y mask dala. Saan ako di pagsulod sa store? Nailoy pa ko gidrive. Marag na dyan ko ihubuo na ni guys ba? Ahak man ni oy. I really need to buy rice and other stuffs. Naghubos ako guys ha. Wait, tabon sa ko face. Guys, I checked sa trunk and kakita ko ning bag sa kabisi. Pero naman siya yani So I think ako na lang si anaon no. Like this. Okay naman siguro ni bawa ni I'll try my luck ha. So here's the bugas. Nakasulod ko sa akong mask. Drive sa ako back home. Kaya gigutom na akong sugod. Sige lang akong gutom sa akong vlog guys no. Guys, abot ako. So guys, niabot na ako ang katagan. Guys, I'm home. I'm gonna prepare our food. Nay nakalay diri sa likod guys ha. Prepare sa ako kay gutom dyan kay me. Actually, I'm going to cook a spicy dish, but then I remembered that my katagay doesn't like to eat spicy food. And ako pong anak dili siya hili og spicy food. So I let them decide what they like to eat, and then they requested this chicken joy, buttered chicken. If you have a breading mix, you can mix them on the chicken, but if you don't have, you can make your own using flour. But this one is a breading mix. If you smell it, you can smell the garlic powder, and if you taste it, yeah, flour, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Ano na siya kasimple guys. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. So 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Kaya 1 tablespoon of powdered bouillon. Parsley, you can add as much as you like. So ako guys, ano lang ko guys, oh. So a pinch or two. And then of course our breading mix. 1/2 cup of breading mix. 1 tablespoon of water. No, 2 tablespoons of water. Make sure your hands are clean. Then mix. At medyo dry pa siya, so add a little bit water. This is our chicken. Ready na siya. But then first leave this for 30 to 1 hour. So all the ingredients will incorporate well into the chicken meat. Hey guys, I'm back and ready na ko mag deep fry sa itong battered chicken, or we call it chicken joy. So I have here flour. I put it inside a plastic so it's easier to, to coat our chicken. So guys, sakalimot ko, I change an outfit kay daghan kay mosquitoes here. Para di ko mapaakan. Kasi sakit siya mamaak guys, ang mosquitoes. To put the chicken inside. Ano na siya guys ha? I'll show it to you. I-shake lang na to. So this prevent your hands from messing it up with flour. Init na itong oil. First, shake off the flour. Okay. Stir the chicken meat para balance ang pagka-bake niya sa oil. Let's deep fry this for 15 minutes until it's golden brown. And don't forget to set your stove to medium heat, from high heat to medium heat. Okay. So mag-chill sa ko here guys ha. Likod-lingkod sa ko. Bye! Later! While waiting na maluto atong battered chicken or our chicken joy, I'm going to prepare our citron for our tagay. So I'll cut it in half. Then of course arrange our citron or lemon. So guys, of course we always prepare also orange. Balance the taste of tequila. So we have here citron or lemon and then orange. There will be a mix of flavor.
Oh my god! Wow!
So just the same, cut in half. And then of course arrange them. I'm back and ready na itong chicken joy or buttered chicken. So I'm going to take out our buttered chicken, deep fried chicken here. Guys, golden brown. Ay na ha. What do you think guys? Pwede na ako mag-video kadaghan guys. Oh, look at the chicken joy, the buttered chicken. Guys, this is Queen's buttered chicken. Look at it guys. Okay, I'm gonna try now our buttered chicken. Tanaw guys ha. Oh, deep. Kalamihan niyo eh, huh? Lagi naglaway to sa likod guys ba? Oh. Yan. Guys, look at the meat. Juicy kayo. Ano? Hey guys, ready na kay ko mukaon. So, lami dyan kay guys. So, asa man anyo ni guys? This one? Oh, lami ko. Wala mo naglawa yan eh. So very yummy. So, tanawa guys. Aha. And kami na kami sila but-buto niya sila igutom gito okay guys oh so shout out sa gipanggutom din ha kung gigutom mo magluto mo medyo ka siya and crispy so try this recipe at home. I'm sure your kids will love it. And anak, what do you think?
Lami kaya.
Tama to, naku kay paa. Guys, mukha sa mi guys ha. And then I'll be back later. Yun ko, this is a cooking vlog / tagay vlog. Hi guys, naluya kay ko sa kabusog. Grabe yung kay kalami guys. So crispy and so tasty. Relax ako here. Kay taod-taod magtagay na mi. Just enjoying my life guys. Kaya it's my off today, so I'm going to relax. Guys, diyan check sa ta. Adlog to kayo guys. Badak ko rin kayo siya as in sa kalami kayo sa battered chicken.
A few minutes later.
Guys, ready na ang tagay. Session na mo din hi. I'll show it to you. Before ko mahayang unya, mag-shoutouts ako. Shout out to the team of Mr. DJ Rad, Care Gaming YT, and Crown Joan Vlog. Guys, mo ni among opening song every time magtagay mi. That's entertainment. Kini-kanina lang pagkaganda-ganda ng pagkasabi mo. Sana'y tayo na nga. Okay, bilis naman maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sinta. Daing mapang sakit sa mata. Cheers! Hey guys, that's all for today. Kagabi na. And nakanakiglamok this kawas. I hope you enjoyed my vlog today. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe
And
and like
and share.
and share. Till next video. This is Queen of Tea. Please subscribe. Bye. Sumuka to eh.